Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng fire sign sa mundo. So, kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook Siya yung pwedeng magbigay na personal reading sa'yo. And for those of you na gusto maka-experience ng palm reading mula sa akin, nagbibigay ako niyan, pero kailangan mo lang mag-avail ng bracelet na piyaw bracelet na binibenta ko sa TikTok. Ayan yung mga example nun. Mga crystals yan. By the way, yung crystals ay ano yan may mga health benefits din siya. So, and nakaka-attract din ng swerte. Actually, yung depende sa crystal na gagamitin. Kung ano yung gusto mong ma-attract sa buhay mo. Yan. And may mga health benefits sila. So, try them. Okay. So, anyway. Spirit guides, angel guides, what do we have here for the sign of fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sana mag-comment ka kahit heart-heart lang. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. The Hanged Man is here. Okay. This is a Two of Wands. Three of Wands, Three of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Six of Cups. For what I can see here, fire sign, I feel like there's this stagnant energy sa'yo. Might be you're waiting on something or someone, and nakakita tayo ng mga plano sa'yo on how to increase your finances, more on ganon. Maybe you're waiting dito sa something in the past. Maybe that's a person or a situation na magbigay ng something sa'yo na parang kailangan mo, maybe some kind of clarity. You do have the King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Or maybe naghihintay ka ng desisyon mula sa kanya. I'm seeing a lot of passion mula dito sa taong to. And nandun yung kaya hindi siya makagawa ng desisyon. It is because either dahil sa mga tao sa paligid niya or maaaring kasi kung magdidesisyon siya nung may kinalaman sa inyo, pwedeng kasi mali or hindi pwede. Anyway, who is this person that you're dealing with pagdating sa love? Pagdating sa love, sino tong person na kakonect mo for the sign of fire sign? Please, spirit guides, angel guides. Fire sign. Sino itong person na kakonect mo? Two of Wands is here. King of Cups. Ace of Pentacles. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Okay. Kung makikita mo, there's the same energy here with the Two of Wands. Parehong Two of Wands. Merong pinakita sa inyong main energies, And, kung ikaw ay nakafocus sa mga plano mo. The same din naman sa person na ito. This person has a lot of love and emotions para sa'yo. Pero, I feel like ramdam niya or alam niya na ikaw ay naghihintay. But, hindi rin siya para gumawa ng movement. I feel like there's a lot of new beginnings na pinagdadaanan or ginagawa, nangyayari dito sa person nito when it comes sa kanyang pera. Okay, so may mga new beginning siya. So, I feel like may nahanap siya or maybe yung new beginning niya ngayon ay kailangan niyang pag-focusan kasi malaki yung pinapakita dito pagdating sa kanyang stability. So, you're dealing with a person na pwedeng workaholic. I can see a person na hindi nawawala ng plano sa buhay. Laging meron. And you could also be dealing with a person na sanay siyang may mga tagasunod or pwedeng galing siya sa magandang pamilya, sa may kayang pamumuhay. Kasi nakakita ko dito na parang sanay siya ng may mga katulong, ganyan, or may biyaya. Anyway, okay lang kahit hindi, but you could also be dealing with a person who is very stable. Ano yung emotions ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito? Emotions ninyo dalawa ng person na ito. Spirit guides, angel guys, for the sign of fire sign. Ano yung mga nasa isip or emotions ninyo ng person mo na ito. For the sign of fire sign, you do have here, I like you, paradise, mirror is here, and the golden mirror. Could be dealing with the twin flame or soulmate. Cupid's arrow is here. Love call. You do have your love. So, nandun yung love or emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Gusto mo siya eh. We do have your I like you. Gusto mo lahat na nakikita mo sa kanya. Like his or her face, physical features, kung ano man yung pinagkakabala niya, karera niya ngayon. May times na napapawaw ka na lang kasi you see this person as a perfect person. Wala kang nakikitang pangat sa kanya. With the paradise, I feel like for some of you, alam mo na magiging masaya ka na makasama or gusto mong makasama tong person na ito. Kasi nakikita mo na he or she has everything na gusto mo or kailangan mo sa buhay mo. So, nakikita mo siya as an opportunity. But anyway, could be dealing with the twin flames or so you're mirroring each other. I feel like if you're dealing with a twin flame, pwedeng yung mga kanya-kanyang relationship or connections ninyo ngayon, pareho kayo, parehong nasasalamin. You are currently not satisfied sa kung ano man yun na ipapakita or na ibibigay sa'yo ng kung sino man yung kakonect mo ngayon, and the same as this person. Hindi ka satisfied, hindi rin siya satisfied. Okay? And it is because you could be dealing with a narcissist person, and then pwedeng yung person mo ganun din. Narcissist. And pinipilit lang ng person mong kayanin kung ano man yung hirap. With regard sa emotion, both of you love each other. Pero tinatry nyong i-cut off or wag masyadong makipag-connect or communicate sa isa't isa. There's definitely a separation or disconnection sa inyong dalawa, but both of you are still watching each other. And pwedeng hindi lang kayo masyadong nakikipag-connect or communicate kasi iniisip mo kung ano yung sasabihin, or baka just in case na makita ng person niya yung message mo or makita ng person mo yung message niya. You know what I mean? May pag-iingat. but this person wants to talk to you. Okay, what will happen in the near future for the both of you, mga future actions. Coffee cup is here, girl with a snake, hand of cards, and the grim reaper. In the near future, you do have your separation, the sword and rose, and you do have your ascending, one more card. You do have your wedding rings and not enough. Well, like what I've told you, alam nyo, tinatry nyo maging loyal eh. Pareho kayo. And for what I can see here with the coffee cup, itong connection na ito hindi pwedeng madaliin, lalo na may another connection na involved dito. So in the near future, I can see both of you still playing the game with the hand of cards. So nakita natin na walang chance pa in the near future for the both of you kasi pareho ninyong kailangan i-transform pa yung mga buhay ninyo. I feel like in the near future, you will be focusing on the third person or the third party or kung sino man itong isa pang kakonect mo, you will be focusing on that person. And you will try your best na ayusin kung ano man yung mga dapat ayusin sa kanya. Okay? And yeah, transformation is with the phoenix. It's like with the snake, you know that this person is not capable or hindi kayang maging katulad ng ini-expect mo, which is katulad nitong person na ito, hindi niya kayang gayahin. Pero as much as possible, itatry mo na maging ganun yung mindset niya, na maging maayos siyang person. Pero the energy here is that hindi mo kayang baguhin yung isang tao agad-agad, lalo na kung hindi siya ganun talaga. So, it will be mahabang connection sa inyong dalawa. I get the energy of separation sa inyong dalawa na person na ito, and both of you will still try to connect or cut off each other. Yeah, but you know, if you're dealing with a twin flame, kailangan itong separation na ito in order for you na mas mag-grow ka pa as a person, and yung person mo mas mag-grow din siya sa sarili niya. There's this union waiting for the both of you, pero hindi pa sa ngayon. Because for now, there's a lot of fear, ego issues sa inyong dalawa. And also at the same time, there's this other connections na nagpapagulo sa connection niyo. Na, I don't know if there's marriage na involved, high chance na meron. But, yeah, I feel like kailangan lang talaga to para magkaroon ng transformation sa inyong dalawa. But anyway, hindi mo kailangan ikabahala kasi like what I've told you, hindi niya kayang pilitin na yung person nakakonect niya or ikaw, no? Yung person nakakonect mo ay maging katulad niya, and the same din naman sa kanya. Kahit anong pilit na gawin niya na yung person nakakonect niya ay baguhin, hindi niya ito mababago at hindi niya ito magagawang maging katulad mo. Okay? Wherein both of you are just denying na ang gusto niyo naman talaga ay ang isa't isa. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.